Hi guys, it's Mikey from Yiannimize, and this is a big day for all of us. We're gonna rule the world.
Hi guys, it's Yianni from Yiannimize, and today is the day that I've been waiting for many years. It is the premiere of my new TV show on Dave, Yianni Supercar Customiser. We're in like a private screening at the Charlotte Street Hotel. I've got loads of guests, friends, family, and obviously my staff are here as well that have turned up. It's a bit surreal. I'm gonna try and enjoy the night, and I hope you enjoy this video.
5 years ago, when I first started working at UKTV, a producer called Peter Wiles got in touch and said, I really wanted you to meet this guy called Yianni. He's fantastic, he wraps cars. I had absolutely no idea what he was talking about, because for me cars are blue, yellow, red. Nothing about cars. I think it's fair to say we were completely blown away by Yianni, by his charm, by his enthusiasm, by his skill, by his expertise. And his yellow, it was a Lamborghini, I do remember that. Television's all about timing, but last year we were looking for a really special new car show. We wanted something that felt different and fresh, that was very high end. We know our audience on Dave absolutely love cars, and we suddenly said, Yianni, he is the person, he's our go-to guy.
Really? Really? This has been a long time coming. Hillary mentioned, obviously, Peter, who 5 years ago we met, and he introduced me to Hillary, and as Hillary said, the show wasn't right at the time. 5 years on, me and Peter stayed friends, and that's what it's about. Sometimes you can just lose contact and think, you know what, they didn't make it work, forget Hillary, forget Peter, I'm not interested in them. No, we stayed friends, we stayed in contact, and 5 years on, we have the show today, which, even though I know it's here, it's still surreal for me. And it's, and listen, yeah, I've got massive social media, but TV is TV. Doesn't matter how much money you got, it's not easy to get on TV. And Hillary and Peter trusted me, and they've given me 20 episodes. I'm a nothing. You have 6 episodes usually if you're lucky when you get a new series. I've got 20. This show was hard. It was so difficult to shoot. Trying to run a business and trying to film with some great people was challenging on some days, and you're going to see that on the show.
Big up Yianni. You know, I weren't too surprised because obviously I know like the quality of his work and stuff, but I did like the way he involved the banter and stuff, the humour, all the characters and stuff. But yeah, the whole thing, the way he put it together, he just took his whole world and just made it into like a little mini movie, man. It was good. And obviously the end results were sick, so that weren't surprising because obviously Yianni's the #1 car customiser in the country, maybe in the world.
I think it's going to affect the business massively, hopefully in a positive way. As long as we come across well on TV, I'm sure the phones are going to be ringing, emails will be coming in. Makes my life a lot harder, but do you know what? That's what I'm paid to do, it's what we're here for. Keeps us all in the job, keeps us all going.
Guys from Dave done such a good job. Really amazing. I'm looking forward for the next 18 episodes coming. Every Wednesday, catch us on Dave, 8 PM, 2 episodes back to back.
Hi everyone, I'm Lenny the Geeza. So yeah, Yiannimize launch night, just watched the 2 episodes. Amazing man, amazing. Yianni, we're so proud of you mate, it's absolutely awesome. I think it's going to be a smash. Second series come, definitely.
Just want to say a massive congratulations to Yianni. Hope it's everything he thought it would be. Certainly was everything I thought it would. What a great success it's going to be, and look forward to seeing the future episodes.
Stay tuned, and I can't say anything else. You've just got to watch it.
So I've just watched the show with all my friends, my family, the celebs, the people that worked on the show, the staff. It went down really well. I feel like a massive weight off my shoulders because everyone laughed at the right places, they enjoyed it, the suspense. I feel good, I feel really good. 2 episodes done, there's 18 more to go. Trending #2 on Twitter as well, which is amazing, and that's compared to this football on as well, so that's really cool. Over the moon, absolutely over the moon, overwhelmed, surreal.
What can I say? Happy.